Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. So I've got here the Nilfisk banjo hose. As you can see, you've got a Nilfisk banjo one side, 90°, and you've got a Nilfisk probe the other side. So these hoses obviously come in 10s, 15s, 20s and 30s, all the way out throughout the range. As you can see here, the brass probe itself unscrews. So a 1/4 inch BSP one side. We then take this hose now back to standard 1/4 inch BSP one side. You can then exactly the same this side. Take that out. Your Nilfisk probe, 1/4 inch BSP that side as well. Got a 1/4 inch BSP female that side, so that now is back down to a standard 1/4 inch hose either end. So if you ever change your machine, you can obviously take the fittings off and add fittings on whichever fittings you require. Now simply just screw back on into there. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers at eBay and YouTube.